Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left his seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestones, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold, and then, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that splits the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked night I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools that I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms and I might reach you, but my words like silence raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, whispered in the sounds of silence.
一天一天的我在期待放學，一轉眼卻要告別校園。一張一張的快樂同學笑臉，分不似地消失，不再遇見。終於不懂得老師所講，只知道此刻想多聽一遍。終於不需要再管積分，只恐怕更多的考試未見。這校園，這班房，這走廊，這禮堂，告別時是我心的家鄉。到未來那一方，人漂泊，路茫茫，仍然在這裏找到一點點光。曾同遇上，今孤身走遠方，誰願這樣昂然踏上，雖分開走遠方，明晨冷共倉。這校園，這班房，這走廊，這禮堂，告別時是我心的家鄉。 昂然踏上，雖分開走遠方，明晨能共創。曾同遇上，今孤身走遠方，誰願這樣？昂然踏上，雖分開走遠方，明晨能共創。